Okay, road trip time. We are off and we have to stop and get food. We got gas. Peyton Joe is with me. Woo! It's a girls trip. Yay! So she has her little DVD player back there. Sporting out the cars. Got it for like 19 bucks off of Amazon. It's a refurbished. Love it. It came with the headphones. It came with the adapter to plug into your car. It also has one where you can plug it into your house at home as well. So it's multifunctional for under 20 bucks. I call that a score because I did not want to put TVs in my car just for the road trip. So we are off to Dallas. We will be pit stopping in Weatherford. And spending the night at my girlfriend Amber's house. I'm so excited. She's probably my oldest favorite sister from another mister. We've been friends since we were like in 2nd grade. So
Really?
yes, a very, very long time. Anyway, we will catch up with you in a little bit. Bye. People of Facebook, what did I just say? Or YouTube? Who am I talking to? YouTube.
Yeah, you don't even know what you're doing.
Look at this. Look at this. Do you see this craziness? Where are we?
I'm in the driveway.
We are in the vehicle. And as soon as this woman starts the vehicle, she grabs her phone.
To check for points, if it's time for points.
Lord help us all. Seriously, like, we are fixing to drive a vehicle and she's playing on her slots.
Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Gotta turn my head off.
Here we are, country life. I'll show you people where. Oh, I can't see. I need sunglasses. This is us. Okay, we're good. We'll talk to you in a bit. Oh, look.
There.
Oh, wow.
They go over your glasses.
This is what my mother. Okay, people of YouTube,
You're gonna good money for those.
Do you wear these?
They finally picked the trash up. Good.
Look. It's even got a strap, people, so I can't lose them. How exciting is this? Oh, I just messed my hair up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, if you are jealous of these glasses, holla! Look at those! Oh! What is this? Look! Oh! Oh! I know. I have the string on the
wrong side.
Oh, Lena,
oh my gosh.
look at
look
that.
Look at you looking like a fool.
Okay, look. Okay. While I'm giving food out to the people of the city, my glasses won't fall off.
You're not giving out food. It's clothing and household items.
I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm giving out clothing and household items. There you go. Oh. See you in a bit. Alright, so here's one of the plaques I was telling you about in memory of Henry L. Thompson, who's the landscape architect of the Rose Garden, and he was killed. It says killed in World War II in, I don't know if you can see it, but it says in 1945. So this monument here was actually built in his honor.
So you don't have an exact
So again, this is Henry Thompson, my great uncle, who actually is the landscape and architect of this beautiful place that they call the Tyler Rose Garden. And there's my kid. Not sure what she's doing there in the fountain. It's my mother. She's on the phone with my brother. I don't know. Some more of the beautiful Tyler Rose Garden. Guys, I wish you could really just be here and see just how gorgeous this place really is. It's just absolutely beautiful. It's like a park. She just got through saying there was no phones at the table, and look who just brought out her phone. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
My mega bonus.
Mega bonus. Look at that. Weren't we just talking about how fangled gadgets and apps and media and all that? My phone's out. It's off. It's out because it was in my back pocket. Oh, really? Really? Joe, what do we think about that?
How many phone calls have you had since we've been in here?
One since we've been here, 2 total, and it was work related on both because my job can't survive without me.
It doesn't stop just because you're not there.
No, it does. Oh, JoJo. All right.
Whoa, you halfway done?
Hey,
You be ready.
it's all you, man. It's all you. You're recording. Woo!
I wanna go see where I shot.
Video mom in case she kills herself.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. No, I mean, you're not though. You're not.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
No.
He wants.
You come here and give me your the muff.
She wants your pink to match her pink gun.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you.
It's gonna be loud. Cover your ears.
Really?
Yeah.
No, not really.
It's not a loud gun.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not really.
We'll see. She got this. I got you, girl.
Make sure they're back.
They back. Did you hit the target?
No.
That was high and to the right.
5. Here we go. One more.
I'm on the side. Dang it.
Wowzers.
That was.
Best shot I've ever seen.
That didn't happen. Hang on. That was like a.
But that was the best shot I've
No,
ever seen.
it was just, the release was beautiful. Freeze.
Don't get too close. That has more power. Closer with the gun.
Tell me to freeze. Like, put your hands up.
Farther with the arrow. You'll have more control over your arrow. Maybe.
Professional.
You won't shoot over the top.
Nothing, but then I drink it.
Okay, are you looking right down your arrow?
Yep.
That would have been a bullseye.
1, 2, 3. It's not going.
You just put the safety on.
Go.
Gun jam.
Hey, I know how
He
to make
loaded-
this
oh.
on
He
breathe.
loaded 3.
Breathe into it.
Oh, it blocked?
His looks like a
The deer's getting away. Porter's getting away. Hurry. Shoot it. Shoot it.
I think
Rapid fire. Rapid fire. Reload. Reload. Oh, you hit it in the butt. It's wobbling. It's hobbling off. Oh, now you shot it in the ankle.
my turn.
It was not a dead deer. Hey guys, so we are out here in Tyler right now at my parents' farm, and we are having a shoot off to see who can have the best score. We're just shooting a little 22. It's actually my mom's 22. So highest score wins.
Mine's been having malfunctions, so we can't use mine.
Yeah, his 22 is a little older, and so the heat out here keeps warping his barrel, and so it keeps jamming up, so we're using my mom's anyway.
I'm
So,
vlogging too right now.
yeah, and the little one's vlogging too. So anyway, we'll be right back. Ooh, that was a good one. I think he may be a better shot than me. Let's see what he's got.
I am always a better shot.
Oh, let me bring the target. Jojo, bring a new target.
Wait, he hit pretty good.
Yeah, I asked you to bring a new target though, honey. He almost got a bullseye.
Let's see.
Move it, Jojo. Move,
10,
Jojo.
20, 30, 40. And then... Alright, so now it's Peyton Joe's turn to do it. With my mom helping her. The struggles. That is the fresh target she's shooting at. Shoot real guns a lot. Alright, so here goes Casey. Ooh, black. Ooh, black. Ooh, close. Oh. Oh, that just won it all. That's the money shot.
Out.
Okay, so we just shot, and my mom beat me by about 10, 15 points.
No. In one shot. One shot. Wait. Show him. Show him. Whose is this one?
That one right there is mine.
This is Porter's. This is Mommy's. Do you see all those beautiful shots?
But she also went and became a security guard, so she got a lot of training for shooting. Arm guard. But, I mean, if you don't have any nails, this is how I hang up targets. You got a little knives and a little... Oh, that's
knives.
the screwdriver right there.
Oh,
But yeah, that's how we go.
Show them
So what are we fixing to do then?
We're about to have an archery.
Wait, let me talk to the
I'm
camera.
gonna win that one too.
Stop lying to yourself.
So, Porter is trying to hang it up, and we're showing, and this is how he's trying to hang it up.
When you don't have tape or nails, you use what you use.
Knife
He's gonna
and
stab his hand in a minute.
Knife and a screwdriver inside of it. That's a knife. That's a knife.
Safety.
And my brother just said,
All right, it's Little Bit's turn.
All right, get your little bit, Errol.
okay. She's going to be videotaping both.
Okay,
Peyton, I'm gonna show you
I'm
where
multi-vlogging. She can be a little closer.
right here.
All right, she got it. And that's JoJo's new bow set.
ready?
She's gonna use some of our
I'll
arrows.
hand you the arrows, okay?
Porter, I don't need to do that. I'm not a baby.
A little bit. Come on, a little bit. Oh, wait, remember?
No, it's not.
I put it on the left side.
I didn't. How come he didn't do it to mine?
Now you go and record.
Yeah, my face.
How do you zoom in?
You don't need to, just videotape her.
Hi.
Have you even hit the target once?
Shush.
Let me see yours. Oh!
Oh, almost bullseye.
So, this is my grandma's house. She lives in the country. Do I sound like you?
And she is just top notch.
So, my mom told me to come and vlog this person right here.
Go tell Bootsy.
Mommy.
Tell Boobs.
Let's go tell Boobs that he can come eat. Dinner. You mom. I want to vlog.
It is vlogging.
I want to vlog.
You're talking then. We're out on the gator. Dad's driving. Jojo and I are in the back. Huh?
Coffee. We must say I'm a better driver than you. Can I drive?
Wait, I want to record.
Woo! Yay! Ainsley, you having a good time? And there's Porter driving the gator.
I am your tour guide today.
Still putting eggs in it. I mean, cheese.
Good morning, everybody. So today we were going to make breakfast and we realized that we were out of milk. So we have some Fag Total Zero Greek yogurt here, and then we have eggs. We did not have milk, so we had to forego cereal. So we were trying to decide, and then we thought maybe British toast. We're like, nope, we need milk for that. So the last thing we thought about with our ingredients that we have is to do eggs, sausage, and sliders, because we were trying to use what we have. So what we do is we have 8 eggs in here, just whole eggs, and then a bit of shaky of just dill weed, and then approximately 4 tablespoons of the Greek yogurt, and then we stirred it together. Now the texture of this is very thick, so we'll see how this turns out. We're hoping it turns out good. I'll let you know in just a minute. So salt and pepper. The lovely assistant Mother is going to stir the eggs.
Did you put cheese in it?
I did put cheese, Mother. Thank you. So you see the consistency of the egg is super thick, so it'll be interesting to see. Quit giving me dirty looks. My mother does not understand the vlogging business. And the final product, guys, we have scrambled eggs. They taste very wonderful. They are nice and moist and fluffy. So I call that a win. So here's our breakfast. Sausage patty, scrambled eggs, and we decided we were struggling to keep the sliders together with the eggs, so now we're going to toast them real fast. Breakfast of champions.
Hey guys, how's it going? My mom doesn't want to vlog, so I'm going to vlog for her. Well, so today we're going to the trampoline park, and we're going to be there. It's called I Jump, so meet you guys there.